Ready to record. Hello, I'm Ketsia, this is Dan, and this is Alex, and this is called Every Time That You Go. Oh, sorry. Let me start again, sorry. Every time that you go, anytime that you leave, another piece of me unfolds. Oh, look at that, you done stolen my heart from my sleep. I watch you walk away, oh, it kills me to see the steps you take from my love, the way you're running from me. Why can't you just hold on a little while, just a little longer, baby, just a little longer? And I said, why can't you just hold on a little while, just a little longer, baby? Yeah. Take me as I am, or watch me as I now leave. Maybe if I put it all on the line, I threw my flames up and cried for you. Yeah, I cried for you to be mine. Then I gon' make you see what you're too blind, and I will no longer let you, I will no longer let you see there on your throne. No. I said, why can't you just hold on a little while, just a little longer, baby, just a little longer? Why can't you just hold on a little while, just a little longer now? And when the show is over, I got nothing left to offer, unless you give me something to let me know that I miss something and to think it all, and to think it all. Can't you just hold on